In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog lights in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the plate bracket. If you have rivets here, you're going to have to drill those out and then put new rivets in. This vehicle has screws. We're going to use a T25 socket. Take the screws out. And slide it off. Underneath, you'll find there's some push pins. You want to take those out. That's holding this front lower piece of the bumper attached to underneath the radiator. So take those out. This vehicle doesn't have those. This should be a connector for the fog lights. You want to disconnect those on both sides. This vehicle does not have the connector for the fog lights. Now this piece is clipped in over here. You can see. You just want to push it forward. Like that, pop it out. It's clipped in all the way around at the top too. So you want to just slide this out, and it just slides out like that. There's a bracket right here. There should be another bracket over here that's broken, and then there's another bracket down here, and they're all held on with screws. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. Slide that off. And take the other bracket off. Now take the fog light, line it up. The brackets lined up. Get the screw started. And the one down below. And there should be another one right there. Put that in. Once those are all in, then we can tighten those down. Just snug, not too tight. That's good. And then you can do the same on the other side. Now I take this and line it back up. Looks good. Now put the plate bracket on, get that lined up. If you have rivets, put the rivets back in. We're just using screws. Get those all started. And underneath, push those push pins in. And at this point, you want to connect the connector. This vehicle doesn't have that, so do that on both sides.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.